Hello and welcome to our first lesson of A1 German language course. In this lesson, you will learn about German alphabets and their pronunciation. German language has 26 alphabets like English, but their pronunciation is totally different. Let's start. I will pronounce these alphabets loud and you have to repeat after me to practice your listening and pronunciation skills. Let's start with the first letter, that is A. B, C, D, A. F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This was the first 26 letters of German alphabets. You can see German alphabets are similar to English alphabets in terms of using same characters, but pronunciation is totally different. Some of these alphabets are written with examples for your practice because pronunciation is totally different of these letters from English alphabets. First letter is E, that sound as A, roof, roof. Second letter is I, sound as E, bite. Third letter is J, sound as Y, pronounced as yacht, job. J sounds as Y, job. Next letter is F, V, sounds as F, pronounced as for. If V comes in the start of the word, then it sounds as F, for. If V comes in the middle of the word, then it sounds as V, ever. Next word is S, sounds as Z, Zalat. Now learn all these alphabets as poem to remind the pronunciation of each letter. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Again, repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Now let's have a look at each letter and learn German words. Let's start with the first letter, that is A. Please repeat after me. A, Apfel. Apfel means apple. Let's continue with B. The German word with the letter B is Buch, which means book. Let's have a look at the letter C, but in word It pronounced as K, like computer, computer, which means computer in English too. Let's continue with letter D. The German word with the letter D is Dorf. Dorf means village. Now move to the letter A. The German word with the letter A is Esel. Esel, which means donkey. Next word is F. The German word with the letter F is fish. Fish. Next word is G. The German word with the letter G is Gitarre. Gitarre, which means guitar in English. Next word is Ha. The German word with the letter Ha is house. House, which means house in English too, but the spellings are different. Next word is E. The German word with the letter E is eagle. Eagle, which means hedgehog. Next word is yacht. Jacke. Jacke, which means jacket. Ka. The German word with the letter Ka is Kind, which means child. Next word is L. The German word with the letter L is Lampe. Lampe. Lampe means lamp in English. And other word is M. The German word with the letter M is Mann. Mann, which means man in English. Next word is N. The German word with the letter N is Nagel. Nagel, which means nail in English. Let's have a look at the letter O. The German word with the letter O is Orange. Orange. You can also pronounce it as orange. Orange. Next word is P. The German word with the letter P is party. Party. Next word is Q. The German word with the letter Q is quiz. Quiz. L. The German word with the letter L is ring. Ring. Next word is S. The German word with the letter S is Sonne. Sonne, which means sun. And other letter is T. The German word with the letter T is Tomate. Tomate, which means tomato. Next word is U. The German word with the letter U is Uhr. Uhr, which means clock. Now move to the next letter, that is V. Vogel. Vogel, which means bird. Next word is V. The German word with the letter V is Wein. Wine, which means wine in English too, but the spellings are different. Next letter is X. The German word with the letter X is xylophone. Xylophone, which means xylophone in English. Next letter is Upsilon. The German word with the letter Upsilon is yoga. Yoga. Next and the last letter is set. Set. The letter with the word set is zebra, zebra. In addition to the 26 letters of alphabets, there are 3 German umlauts. First one is A, called A umlaut. Second one is U, called U umlaut. Third one is U, called U umlaut. Let's come towards the first letter of umlaut, that is A umlaut, and the German word with the letter A umlaut is Sehlen, Sehlen. Z is pronounced as S in German language, that's why it is called Sehlen, which means count. The second German word is with the letter A alphabet, that is called Sahlen, Sahlen, which means counting. First word is Sehlen, second word is Sahlen, Sehlen, Sahlen. You can see the difference of one letter in the both words has changed the meaning of the word. Let's move to the second letter of umlaut, that is U, U umlaut. And the German word with the letter U umlaut is schön, schön, which means beautiful. The second German word is with the letter O alphabet, that is called schon, schon, which means already. First word is schön, second word is schon. That is the third letter of umlaut, U, U umlaut. You can read it as double U. And the German word with the letter U umlaut is Bruder, Bruder. Bruder means brothers. That is used for plural, for more than one brother. The second German word with the letter U alphabet, that is called Bruder, which means brother. That is used for singular and it is for one brother, only for one brother. First letter is Bruder, second letter is Bruder. First letter will belong up to double U and the second letter will belong up to single U. In addition to 26 alphabets and 3 umlaut, there is one more letter in German language, that is called S or sharp S. Here you can see the shape of sharp S. This letter is pronounced as S in the word weiß, which means white in English. Now let's review what we had just learned in this video. You learned the 26 alphabets of German language from A to Z. You have learned 3 umlaut, A, U, U. You have also learned a letter called sharp S.